So welcome back to Riotouch again. Today I'm going to show you some news on the 2025 and 2024 updates based on the cloud. Based on the cloud, there are so many updates and features for you. We want to deliver a collaborative between conferencing and education. So firstly, checking there's some news like new updates for the library stores and the local survey, and based on DMS, device management control system, and for further news for technical team and engineers using. And first, let's check in the Streamline, the teaching resources. Based on here within the library software, we got the courseware management based on different courses. The first thing allowing you different teachers, different subjects, and conference to allowing their own updates and textbook. All in here, we gotta switch to our own account here. Now I'm going to scan the code to log in my own account. I'm assuming I'm a teacher, so right here, I'm scanning the code, and so after that, we can log in this account. It's barrier 3, and I got my password. So now I'm logging my account successfully. I will show you something on the cloud later, though. The first thing was my own subject. With the function buttons here, you can minimize the window. The first thing was like the interact was more than just the screens. It should be between the textbook and the teaching resource. We allow them to deliver more function buttons, like the further thing of a video. We can start our courses from a video, which is more easily for your student to understand. And let's changing back. Today's subject was about sales and organize. So we can also have a link about the definition of sales and organize. For the link, the built-in browser can allow you to have the links here, and we can resize it. For more information, it shows what is the sale and what is organized. And I'm assuming I like this picture, and I like drag it over for here. It's lagging here. And also for the in-class quiz, you can put settings on quiz in front of the preparation, and after that, you can get the online preview here. Now let's scan in the code to answer these questions. Also using my mobile phones, you can scan the code. So after that, we need to firstly import the password, assuming I'm carrying. So I need to choose the correct answers. Actually, I select this motif function was correct. So here basically about the front photos of the cloud platform. And now let's log in our account here for the again the resources about subject management. Now we can manage our own courses, and think for subject management, I have downloaded upload the biographic and calligraphy. So which is same as here. With double click here, we can gather furthermore editing. First about grade. Within the grades, we can add like grade 1, grade 2, or you can add a grade here. Like I'm assuming adding a grade based on the grade text, and then make a sort to make it number 1 or number 2, and assuming it's number 2. So we successfully add a grade here. And for the grade 1, let's check in here. There are literally one content, and let's do the courseware editing. Based on the courseware editing, you see the function buttons here. We just insert from the cloud. So firstly about the links, I'm going to insert a link about riotouch.com. So, and also the background image, and for the video, let's upload a specific video to check more details. Just upload here. You can download any video and make sure the size was not so big. The cloud is unlimited. At the same time, we are allowing you to deliver the audio and even the question settings based on the question settings, and we can further checking here. First, about single choice and a multi-answer choice, and let's check what is actually the calligraphy. It should be the brush of arts and also the paper. Since this is multi-choice, so I select both answers correct, then I add and save the answer option and make it saved, so we correctly got the answers. After that, we can release it, so we can get a quiz here. So here are the things about the cloud platform and the courseware. The second teaching resources was like the 3D subject. Based on the 3D subject, we can upload our own 3D subject and resources here. With click the OPG files, we got a preview. Then how we actually editing our own 3D subject files. Based on here, we get a 3D subject and edit here and sales. Let's add a courseware here, same like before, and make sure your 3D subject file was like archives file, and pre-downloading some files and make a quick preparation like 3D. Today I'm to upload something about a helicopter, then I can upload this file. This may take a second. And at the same time, we can further checking their built-in resources. What about the brand? The students here. Okay, this was just finished, and then we can rename like helicopter and add a cover here, which is a helicopter, and make a sort to number 1. And if we upload successfully, and now let's further checking. This was student I just previously accessed to this. And further checking here. We got a helicopter there. I just uploaded on the cloud. Now let's checking. For the OPG file, within here are more details we can check. Okay, with the list here, we can check more components more specifically. Okay, there are some details for you to check, and you can make it visible or untangible. All the teaching resources of the courseware and the 3D subject can be uploaded and edited from the cloud. Now let's further checking other options. For the device management control system, Riotouch also concerning if you're an OEM maker, you want to reselling your products and you want to get a home controlling of each score by cities, by group, and all the facts will be considered here. And make sure you got each device MAC ID based on the settings. You can check the MAC ID, which is 26388 and 2E. And also the DMS was like online, then we can controlling from the cloud. Now let's get the controlling here. Here in the DMS controlling system, we have several devices, and now it's checking if I'm making a grouping. And then to search the correct MAC ID here, For device management control, let's first adjusting the backlight. So we'll like decrease the brightness, and now it's changing back here. Going to bright up. If we choose to switch the signal, what about to the OPS? We'll switch the signal. And also we're considering if we're the schoolmaster want to know what is really happening during each classroom. We check in the real-time online classroom, and if the screen's got a built-in camera, it will get timely feedback of the camera. And now let's changing back there. And even more powerful things, if you got several devices and you want to get controlling all in once. And now let's check. I'm logging a different account here. First about grouping. Here's the showroom. And here we can check all the devices online except this one. I just make it switch to the OPS signal. And if you want to add this group, I just select here and make sure this was on the group and I submit it. So I like to pay attention to that side. Then do some device management control, and for the workflow, and just apply this command. So attention to this. It will decrease the power, the brightness, a little bit delay here, and also gonna notify, which is mean the port coding. The 4 screens is operating the same command. So I just make it to adjust the backlight to decrease the brightness, and also send a notify receiving the broadcasting on each device on each of the screens, and also switch the signal to the OPS from the home page, the home, and adjust the backlight to increase again. Here's about the device management control, and now let's check. And for the permission, the different account got different permission. I'm not to log in different account here. Here is the OEM account. What if I'm logging an admin account from the function list? There were more functions that allow you for the further developing, like engineers, like the cloud and language. And here is obviously no further function here. So let's also checking for the listening tab, which is kindly for the OEM maker. And also the logs about if you got problems and need to after sales service, you can log in and upload this log for us. We can know what is really happening in your devices, and then we give you a solution to fix your panels. So here are simple things about the permission. And about cloud, the resources would not just about teachings and also some Apple stores. We can check in here. Then we got management based on here, app management, and so checking the app version. We added and uploaded some applications here. So here for today.